I will show you how to knit a very simple model of socks onto needles. I will need needles number 6, 2 markers, and it's my yarn. Cast on 42 stitches and work a ribbit. Work 2 inches, 5 centimeters with your pattern in this place. Now knit certain stitches from the edge. It looks like this. Now continue work only these certain stitches. We need to the size of the square. This edge is equal to this. Cast off all stitches. It looks like this. And now pick up 9 loops from here. Nine loops. Continue work the row. Prepare a pattern. And now work certain loops on this side. Work some square. Cast on all stitches and pick up 9 loops from the side. Pick up 9 loops. It looks like this, and continue work all stitches per your pattern. To this place, knit according to your size. We use 2 markers and mark the number of stitches in the middle as equal to half the total number of stitches. It's half the total number of stitches. In my example, 9 stitches and 9 stitches. Before marker, knit 2 stitches together from back. 1 knit and 2 knit together from front. Continue until the second marker. Before marker, knit 2 stitches together in back, 1 knit and 2 stitches together after marker in front. and continue. In wrong side, knit two together. Before marker, to purl together, one purl and to purl together after marker. Continue purl until second marker. Work two purl together before marker, one purl and two purl together after marker, and work all stitches purl. Continue until 6 stitches. Slip all stitches. And sew here. It's ready. Hope you understood everything, and if not, you can ask me in the comments. Have a great day.